Do you want to be the musician that everyone envies? The violin is the sexiest and classiest instrument on the planet at the moment. And do you want to know the most exciting thing? We guarantee to have you playing the violin like a star in less than 30 days. Take a second to picture yourself as the center of attention at every family gathering as you pump out popular songs such as Maroon 5's Payphone and Christina Perri's 1,000 Years. Imagine the look on the faces of your family as you effortlessly and fluently provide the best entertainment of the night on your violin, even though you've only been learning for 30 days. You will also be the focus of every party as your friends listen in amazement to your flawless rendition of all the top hits, including Coldplay's Clock and Adele's Someone Like You. You will be the first guest on the list of every party in town. Any song, any genre, you will be able to play it to the standard of a professional musician while everyone else looks on in awe and envy. And as it gets late and everyone else drifts away, imagine that special someone sitting at your feet, gazing up at you with admiration. This is your future as a superstar violin player. Don't fancy all that grinding practice and repetition? Don't worry. This program is a revolution in the music teaching industry. Based on solid scientific foundations, this program takes your natural ability to learn to play music and harnesses it to put your learning curve and fast forward. After all, human beings have been playing music for thousands of years, and you can bet that the first musicians did not learn to play using grinding, repetitious practice activities. Our videos take you step by step through the new way to learn. That is why in less than 30 days, you will be a phenomenon on the violin. In fact, you will be so good, you will be ready to join a band or even make a living from your playing if that's what you want to do. Join our program now and be a musical superstar in less than 30 days. Never grind out ridiculous, pointless practice. Our program is varied and interesting and effective. Be the person everybody remembers and talks about. So, if you are ready for people to start calling you cool, fun, and sexy, sign up today and start learning how to play the violin minutes from now. Be everyone's favorite party guest.